Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. Today we're going to go over how to create an array and use a loop to iterate through it. So let's get into it. We're going to do it in PowerShell. Let's see. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I am going to make an array, and I do this by typing, let's say, R1 equals, and then we do at, it's kind of a slightly different format. So we'll do L, and then we'll do I, and then we'll do D, and then how about, and interesting enough, if it's not a letter, like it's a number, you can just go ahead and type it without putting it in quotes. So that's kind of good to know, just to see the difference. And then I'm going to hit enter. And an array is a collection of information, sorry, and in the comma is separating each bit of information. So also keep in mind, in an array, when you count through each bit of information, it starts at 0. This is the concept that happens a lot in programming or in computers in general. It starts with 0. So the first part of this array is you would think it would be like, you know, bit of information number 1. Well, it's actually bit of information number 0, and then the next is 1, 2. Now, why I'm explaining this, because if I type in R1 in little, 0 in little square brackets, any guess which letter it will give me? Well, if you guessed L, that's correct. And then if I switch it to 1, you get I. And then if I switch it to 2, any idea what's going to come up next? Z. So that's a fancy little way to do it. But if you want to do something even cooler, we're going to loop through the array, which basically we're going to take the computer and we're going to take PowerShell and we're going to say, hey, I have this array. It's filled with information. Take this information, and what I want you to do is I want you to spit it out one piece at a time. And this is the amount of information I want you to spit out. So we're going to go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to paste. Okay, so the second this pastes it, it's going to make the command run. So I'm going to explain the command to you that I just pasted before it does it. So what we have here, see where it says clipboard contents preview. This is what it's going to paste onto my PowerShell, and this is a for loop. So we have here, and it basically I'm telling it to, I'm giving it the array inside these curly brackets right here, and I'm telling it to go through the whole array by length and spit it out piece by piece. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit paste anyway. And as you can see here, it took the array and I told it to go through the whole array and print it out piece by piece, bit of information by bit of information, which is why it says Liz 1, 2, 3. Because if you guys remember, the array I made, right here, it was LIZ 1, 2, 3. So that's what I did. I had this for loop and it spit it out piece by piece. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put each one of these commands in the description down below, so you can just cut and paste and change it around and have fun with it, guys. If you found something that was really fun, or you know something that's really fun to do in PowerShell, please leave it in the comments down below so that other people can have fun with it too, or explain what you did, because we'd like to hear from you guys. But anyway, if you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. From one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.